Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. As all of us know, in professional courses like CA, CMA and CS, handwriting speed plays a very important role. We must be in a position to almost double our speed when compared to our junior inter and senior inter level. So that much drastic improvement in the handwriting speed is required. In this short video, I am going to say some small tips to you to improve your handwriting speed drastically. Of course, I'm not going to cover, in this video, I'm not going to cover how to improve the neatness of your handwriting. So that I may cover in a separate video. In this video, I just confine myself to, to, to tell you how to improve your handwriting speed. I'll confine to that discussion alone. First of all, you must understand the need to improve your handwriting speed. As you are able to improve your handwriting speed, your efficiency will get improved in the examination. Once your efficiency gets improved in the examination, you can save some time. With that available time, you can even verify your complete answer booklet before submitting the same to the invigilator. So you will have that much plenty of time. So that's why you must aim to double your handwriting speed, so that you must be in a position to complete your examination at least 20 to 30 minutes prior to the remaining students. With that time so saved, you can verify all your answers of all the questions. And it is experience of each and every student that we will be leaving few questions in the examination unanswered, even though we are aware of the answers for those questions, just because of one silly reason, that is lack of time. If you are able to improve your handwriting speed, you will never face such kind of situation in any of your examinations. In fact, you will have even some surplus time. In that surplus time, you can comfortably verify the answers written by you for all the questions of the entire booklet. So that's why, my dear students, take this advice very seriously and start putting efforts on improving your handwriting speed. And remember, my dear students, if you aim high, nothing is impossible in this world. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. If you check the people who are able to see their names in Guinness Book of World Records, do you feel that they are able to achieve the stunts in just a matter of overnight? Is it possible for anyone to achieve that much of results in overnight? Impossible. Impossible. Everybody might have done years of practice to achieve that stunt. Similarly, improving your handwriting speed is not an exercise which can be done in overnight. That requires continuous and consistent practice over a period of time. At least a matter of 1 month. We require at least 1 month to improve the speed of your handwriting. Now, what has to be done? You first choose a paragraph of 4 to 5 lines in your favorite theory subject. You choose any theory subject of your choice. You choose a paragraph of 4 to 5 lines and see that the paragraph does not exceed 4 to 5 lines. You choose a paragraph 4 to 5 lines and try to memorize it perfectly. Whatever the paragraph that you have chosen, try to memorize it perfectly. Now, on the first day, you set your time for 15 minutes. You set your alarm for 15 minutes. In that allotted 15 minutes of time, you start writing the paragraph chosen by you on a single ruled papers. I hope that all of you aware, in your public exams, you are supposed to write your exam on single ruled papers only. So, take single ruled papers. Try to write this paragraph in those single ruled papers as much neatly as possible and for as many number of times as possible. So while writing on paper, you need to consider two important things. One is, you shall not lose the neatness, you shall write neatly. Number two, you must be in a position to write it for as many number of times as possible. In the framed time of 15 minutes. So let us assume today you were able to write that paragraph for 4 times in that available time of 15 minutes. Tomorrow you better start in the same timings, another 15 minutes of time. Now on the second day, your target should be to write the same paragraph for 5 times rather than 4 times in the available time of 15 minutes only. Please don't change the time and timings. The allotted time is always 15 minutes. Please don't change that. In that 15 minutes, you must write the same paragraph for 5 times rather than 4 times. On the second day, you may not be able to achieve this. Maybe on the third day, you may be able to write the paragraph for 4 times, and you may be able to write another 1 or 2 lines in the paragraph for the 5th time. That means you may not be able to finish off the 5th time, but you will be able to finish at least 1 or 2 lines in the 5th time. So leave it. Go to the 4th day. On the 4th day, you may be able to achieve to write another line. So after practicing it for 1 week to 10 days, you may be able to write the same paragraph for 5 times rather than 4 times. Just remember, if you are able to write the paragraph for 5 times instead of 4 times, that means your handwriting speed has already increased by 20%. After achieving this feat, now improve the target. Now fix the target as 6 times instead of 5 times. It may take another 15 to 20 days to achieve the same. That means if you are able to achieve the same, that means your handwriting speed has increased by 50%. Initially, you were able to write only for 4 times. Now you are able to write it for 6 times. That means your handwriting speed has increased by 50%. So, for improving the speed at this pace, some students may take 1 week, some students may take 10 days, some students may take 20 days. So, we cannot standardize the same. But if you keep practicing in this manner, you can achieve the speed, whatever the speed you desire. If you want to double your handwriting speed also, then you can achieve. But first, initially start with a small target. Gradually keep increasing the target. As and when you achieve your target, you keep increasing the target, your speed also gradually increases. So this is how you need to improve your handwriting speed. Sir, does we need to practice every day in the same time slot? Yes, try to practice in the same time slot. Whenever you do a particular task every day in a fixed time slot, you will be physically ready to do the task, and you will also be mentally ready to do that task. When you do a same task on a fixed timings on each day, then you will have that synergy benefits. That's why you try to do this task every day in the fixed time frame. So in this manner, any student can achieve any desired level of speed in the handwriting. If you look at animals performing various stunts in a circus, how they are able to do? Practice. Practice. If you are able to do practice, everything is possible in this world. How various people doing various stunts are able to see their names in Guinness Book of World Records? Practice. The only answer is practice. So everything is possible in this world, provided you practice in the right manner. Similarly, if you practice in this manner, you can easily improve your handwriting speed. In just a matter of 1.5 months, you can even double your handwriting speed, provided you practice perfectly. So I think this video will be very much useful for students of all courses, including professional courses like CA, CMA and CS. And if you like this video, please don't forget to press like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so that I'll also get motivation to do still more videos which are very useful to you. Thank you.